Hi again, and thanks for watching our video. My name is Greg Aganowski. I'm founder, CEO of EcoWash Industries, as well as Dirty Ben's EcoWash. Now, I want to share something with you guys. We are a company in this solid waste container cleaning business. I own both companies. I started Dirty Ben's EcoWash a little over 3.5 years ago now. EcoWash has been our trademark. It's been the standard amongst this industry. So if you're new, thinking about doing this business, you're now doing your research. We are a company who's actually in this industry. As you want to buy in and understand this market of how to scale this business, we are a company who has gone out and developed what you're seeing here today. Lifting dumpsters didn't really exist 3.5 years ago. I was forced to buy myself a 2-bin lifter Silverado truck that was limiting me and my business to actually scale. I couldn't capture contracts. Today, we're one of the only companies out there who manufacture and sell these trucks who have gone out and procured municipalities ourselves amongst cities. This is myself in the yard with the city of Mesa. It's a contract we have. We handle all the maintenance for the residential barrels, and we're soon to be maintaining all of their solid waste dumpsters as well. It is a process. We just released our 2-in-1 hybrid EcoWash system a little over a year ago. It's the high demand of what the solid waste industry is asking. The margins are much healthier. My question to you is, when you're out there shopping, what are you really looking for? The cheapest price on product? Or are you looking for the know-how of doing this business? Work with a company who really has gone out, procured municipalities, because ultimately that's going to be your end goal, is to get to those contracts. You're not going to make the big money you're seeking out going door to door, putting flyers on a trash can or canvassing a neighborhood. Be careful in how it's sold to you. This is a very attractive industry, and it's a new emerging industry. We're not a company who's just trying to sell the product to make the next sell. We're a company who wants to sell the business to help this industry scale and create some longevity here. So if you want to learn more, give us a call, 480-789-0931. Again, thank you so much. Really do appreciate your time. Once again, my name is Greg Aganowski. Make it a great day.